Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to set up a Mitsubishi Q Series PLC to Kepware using MC protocol. In GXWorks 2, I will open up PLC parameter and set an IP address. Then we need to open up a port number using MC protocol. We also need to check this box to enable MC protocol to the Ethernet port. In my main program, I have already prepared a simple program that I will use to demonstrate. I will now download these settings and program to my PLC. We can now jump over to Kepware and create a new channel. Here we choose Mitsubishi Ethernet. Then we can give our channel a name. Then we need to choose the computer's network card that we run Kepware on. We can now add a new device and give it a name. Then we choose Q Series as model. Here, we need to specify the PLC IP address followed by the PC number. Here, we need to set the IP protocol to TCP/IP, then the same port number that we set in GXWorks 2. I will now add my tags from the project. Now we can open up a quick client and test it out. If the quality says good, we have connection to the PLC. When I now test to write from the quick client, the PLC will respond. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.